Hitting out at the BJP government in Karnataka over reports about removal of a lesson on Bhagat Singh from a school textbook, Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal on Tuesday said it's an insult to the sacrifice made by the iconic freedom fighter and demanded a rollback of the decision. Taking to Twitter, the Aam Aadmi Party national convener said the country will not tolerate such insult of its martyrs and asked the BJP why its people hate Bhagat Singh so much. Kejriwal's reaction came a day after some organizations, including All India Democratic Students Organization and All India Safe Education Committee, claimed that the Karnataka government has omitted a lesson on freedom fighter Bhagat Singh and included a speech by RSS founder Keshav Baliram Hedgewar in a revised Kannada textbook for students of class 10.